Hello guys, I'm back again. Happy to be here again to show you something that we can hear a lot nowadays. The famous baked sushi. As usual, I'm gonna make my own version. So, here are our ingredients for today. We have here mango, carrots, avocado, cucumber. We have here crab stick and shrimp. Okay, so the shrimp, it is half cooked only. Then we have mayonnaise, we have here Tabasco, I have here wasabi, but I add water. I just make it like sauce. I'm gonna put only little, not much, and you know, not everyone like wasabi. Then we have here Philadelphia cheese, and I have here a little of sour cream, and then little bit of milk. Here we have our rice. We already cook it and we mix it with the rice vinegar and we let it absorb and rest, and now it's ready. Then I have here cheese. I would like to put it, and as what I said, I would like to try my own version for today. And then I have something else. We can use these herbs. It is actually mix of the seaweed and sesame seeds. And then I have here sesame seeds also extra because it's very nice with the sushi. So let's get started, guys. First thing, let's mix our cheese. Then we're gonna put mayo. Regarding the ingredients, how many grams, the measurement, I'm gonna put it again as usual in a list, and then you can see it. We're gonna put little bit Tabasco and little of wasabi. Gonna put the avocado. Keep it last because you know the avocado, it's very easy to be cooked. So our sauce, it's ready. So this is what we're gonna put on top our rice. Here our container. Then we're gonna put the rice here. I don't wanna make it too much thick. I'm gonna put my sesame seeds. Then I'm gonna put those herbs. just cut it like this. That will be enough. Put our old sauce. Now we are good to go. So we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, 200 degree. So guys, see you after 12 minutes. So we are back again guys. Here our baked sushi. This actually been requested by one of our subscriber. So they request for this one and we make it. Let's get our baked sushi. Let's start by here. It is yummy guys, yummy. So we will try to put here in the seaweed. For sure the shiny it's down and this one up. We're gonna make it like this and then let's try to put it here. Still hot. So guys, here our baked sushi. I wish you like what we make today. So this is my own version, and the smell and the taste, it is really yummy. Please try to make it at home, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if any request of any food, international food, just drop it below. I'm gonna reply you and I'm gonna make it by the God's will. Thank you so much and see you in another dish.